Okay, so let us try to understand how to locate instantaneous center of rotation in case of 4-bar mechanism. So here we are having this 4-bar mechanism in which this AB is the fixed link and this AC is the input link, CD is the intermediate link and DB or BD is the output link. So as link 1 is fixed, the 1 and 2 they are fixed at this particular point, so they will form the fixed ICR. Similarly 1 and 4 they are fixed at this particular point, so they will also form a fixed ICR. Similarly this link 2 and link 3 they are pin jointed over here, so they are permanent ICRs I2, 3. Similarly 3 and 4 they are also pin jointed over here at point D, so they will form the ICR I3, 4. So there are two permanent ICR. So there are two fixed ICRs and there are two permanent ICRs. But we know that the total number of ICRs, capital N, is given by number of links N into N minus 1 divided by 2. So number of links in this particular case they are 4. So 4 into 4 minus 1 upon 2. So that is 6. So we have to locate the 6 ICRs. So out of those 6 ICRs, I12, I14, I23 and I34 they are known to us. Now we have to find out the remaining ICRs. So let us draw the circle diagram and divide this particular circle diagram into the same number of links as they are there in the original mechanism. So there are 4 links, so we are having the division of this particular circle into 4 parts. So first write down these links, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the corresponding ICRs we can write down as 1, 2, then 1, 3, 1, 4. Similarly 2, 3, 2, 4 and last one is 3, 4. Now out of this we know this 1, 2 which is the fixed ICR, then this 1, 4 this is also fixed ICR, then 2, 3 that is also known to us, it is a permanent ICR, and 3, 4 that is also a permanent ICR. So we have to find out first I13 and I24 using this particular circle diagram. Now this 1, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3 and 3, 4 these ICRs they are known to us, so therefore we have joined them by these solid lines. So 1, 2 is known to us, that is I12 is known to us, so we have drawn this over here. Then 2, 3 is also known to us, so that also we have drawn over here. Similarly 3, 4 is known to us, so that is also shown by this solid line, and 1, 4 is also known to us, so that we have shown over here by the solid line. So our first job is to find out this I13. Now join this 1, 3. So when we join this 1, 3, there are two triangles which are formed on the either side of this 1, 3. That is 1, 2, 3 and 1, 4, 3. So we can say that this 1, 3 is the combination of 1, 2, 2, 3. That is this 1, 2 and 2, 3. And similarly 1, 4 and 3, 4. So it means that we have to extend the line joining this I12, I23, that is I12, I23, that line we have to extend. Similarly 1, 4 and 3, 4. So this is 1, 4 and 3, 4. That also line we have to extend. Wherever these two lines they meet each other, that is our instantaneous center of rotation of 1 with respect to 3, that is I13. So that we'll see over here in the animation afterwards. Similarly we can join this 2, 4. So I24, again this 2, 4 when we join we'll get these two triangles, that is 1, 4, 2. Similarly 2, 3 and 4. So we can say that this I24 is nothing but it is the combination of 1, 2, 1, 4. Similarly this 2, 3 and 3, 4. It means that we have to join this particular two ICRs, that is 1, 2, 1, 4. So this is 1, 2, 1, 4 that we have to join. They are already joined, we have to extend this on the either sides. Similarly 2, 3 and 3, 4. So this is 2, 3 and 3, 4, that also we have to join. So wherever these lines they intersect each other, that will give the ICR I24. Now we'll see with the help of animation how to draw this particular mechanism as well as how to locate this ICR. So first draw this fixed link and we know that these are I12 and I14. Then draw the input link at an angle of say 45 degree. So that will form I23 as we have already shown. Join this. Now from this point draw an arc representing the coupler link or intermediate link, and similarly draw the arc of output link also. They will intersect each other and they will give the another ICR, that is I34. Now we know that in order to find out the ICR24, as we have already seen, we have to extend the line joining I12, I14. So I12 and I14 is this particular ICRs. We have to draw a line joining this. Similarly, I23 and I34, that also we have extended. So these two lines, they will meet each other at this particular point. So that is nothing but our ICR I24. Similarly, in order to locate the ICR I13, we have to join the line joining I12 and 23. So it is already joined, we have to extend this. So we are extending it. Similarly, we have to join the line joining I14 and I34. So these ICRs, they are also joined, just extend them. Wherever these two lines they meet each other, that is our I13 ICR. So in this way, we can locate this particular ICR. So once again, try to understand. So it is I12, I23 that we have extended over here. Similarly, I14, I34, that line also we have extended. Wherever these two lines they meet each other, that is our I13 ICR. Similarly, join of I12 and I14, that line we have extended over here, and I23, I34, that line is already joined, that also we have extended, so that they will intersect each other at point, or this particular point is known as I24.